Neli. Good morning. Good morning. Oh, hello. How are you?
I'm good.
Very good. Yeah. So, you're tired.
Zasnívalo.
You had a dream.
Yes. Že som mala pračku.
You had a wash machine.
Yes.
What kind of wash machine?
Wow.
Ah, small.
Big and small.
A toy.
A toy.
Toy.
Mala som takú pračku.
You had a wash machine for kids, yes?
For kids.
For kids. It was magic wash machine. So wake up. This is the wash machine. Oh, okay. Let's try. We're gonna try if this is magic too, like in your dream. Okay, it was only a dream, but let's try how it worked. You took. What do you have? A ball.
Small.
A small ball. Show me. Okay. What is the color?
The pink.
It's a pink ball. So you You take the pink ball, and what you do? What are you gonna do with the ball? You put it in the wash machine. And now,
Clothes.
how it happens?
Teraz zoberiem modrú
You take
farbu.
blue color. Yes.
Toto otvor.
Open. And you put blue color
A dám to
inside.
tak.
Okay. Okay, you put the blue color there. Understand. Okay, now. Automatic. Okay, and now.
Teraz to otvor.
Wow. So now you have blue ball. Show me. It's blue. It's a red? No. It's a green?
No.
What color is this?
A blue color.
It's a blue color. Show me. Oh, good. Can we change the blue to the, I don't know, green? Can you change?
Yes.
Yeah, show me how. Okay, we put blue in washing machine. Take green color.
It's a green.
It's a green color. We put the green color inside the washing machine. Okay. And we put it inside. Now you say it's gonna be green. Oh, it works. It's a magic toy. It's a magic washing machine. Can you make any colors you want? Okay. You just have to use the color and the washing machine will change. Okay, let's try one more. What color do you like?
Orange.
You like orange, so let's change the last one. Let's change to orange. I can believe this one. Okay, you have to put one of these colors. You take orange, good, take it. Okay, okay. Very curious. There is a green. Yes, it's green. Okay, start. Okay, now it's changed. Can I stop it? Wow, it's orange.
It's orange.
This is Okay.
Same.
Ah, just exactly like you had it in your dream. Same. Good. So, and color too. So now you have washing machine. Very good. Next time we are going to try to change something else. And now let's go to the school. Okay. Bye bye.